The Featherweight Electric Mobility Scooter weighs only 37 pounds, making it the world's lightest electric mobility scooter. What I love about this particular scooter is that most scooters you have to take apart when folding and putting into a car. The Feather folds into one piece, so it's super easy to fold, weighing only 37 pounds, making it the perfect travel companion. Let's jump into some details. The mobility scooter comes fully assembled. All you have to do is open the box, charge the battery for 6 to 7 hours, and then you're ready to go. This scooter you don't have to take apart when you're traveling. It folds into one piece and unfolds into the proper scooter. It has large 10-inch flat-free rear wheels, which give it a 4.5-inch clearance. It has electric magnetic brakes, and it also has a front light. You can put it into neutral in case you run out of batteries or you want to be pushed. The battery is a 25-volt lithium battery, making it airplane approved. It comes with a charger. We recommend you charge it every night if you're going to be using your scooter every day. It comes with a basket under the seat so you can hold things. What I love about the Feather Mobility Scooter is A, how beautiful and sleek it is. It has a super comfortable seat with also optional flip-back armrests. But most importantly, it folds into one piece and it weighs only 37 pounds, making it super easy to be your perfect travel companion and take it anywhere with you.